Alright, what's going on guys? Kirk here from MGG. Today we're back here in Daytona at Swanky's Automotive Detailing with the G82 M4 for a much needed upgrade. Now guys, if you can't tell, we live in Florida and it's one thing for sure, especially in the summer, it gets hot. Luckily, the boys over at Swanky's have a perfect solution, especially for the G82, and hopefully it'll solve some of the issues we have, especially with this heat. So stay tuned, let's get started. Alright guys, and check this out. Now, if there's one thing that's been missing from the car, especially since I got it, it's a set of tints. Now for me personally, I do love the no tint look. It does give it a very clean aesthetic. But obviously with running no tints, there is some downside to it, and that's the lack of heat rejection. Now specifically for me, in my car, it does get very hot, especially during the summertime. I have absolutely no protection that's preventing any of the UV rays from coming in and making the interior super hot, especially when it's parked outside. It does become a very big problem. I'm not a really big fan of super dark tints. That's why when we go inside, we're going to talk with Nick and see what some of our options are. Full coverage all around, including the windshield. Definitely looking for an option that's still going to give me somewhat of that clear no tint look, and most importantly, give me the heat rejection that we need. So no more ranting on the outside, time to get inside and see what we can do. We are here with the man, the myth, the legend, Sir Nick. Let us know what we're going to be doing to the M4 today to make it better.
Well, first of all, it's kind of hot outside, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
How you doing in there?
I'm boiling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's what we're fixing here today, guys. You can't have him boiling out there. It is ridiculous outside. Yeah. Even with our AC system right now, we're struggling to even get below 80 degrees. It's ridiculous out here. We live in Florida. The sun is not your friend, and it's not your interior's friend either, especially if you have lovely features such as extended leather. Because what's going to happen?
I've held out for as long as I could possibly.
It's not good. Yeah. Now, what's different about what we're doing today? So we're tinting your car, but we're not darkening your glass. Yeah. So what's up with that? Why are we doing that?
No, just from seeing a lot of other examples, especially on the street, I'm just not really a big fan of the dark tints on the Tanzanite paint. For some reason, it just looks cleaner with the no tints.
I agree. I mean, having a fishbowl look definitely suits some cars. Yeah. I think it's cool in some aspects. We do it on a lot of like exotic cars. You know, I think the car with the wheels and the color, just seeing you in there, you gotta look good in there, man. People gotta see you.
And it's definitely going to come in handy, especially because I have a few more interior pieces that I want to be adding, and I definitely want to show it off as much as possible.
Gotta show that stuff off. Yeah, so how does this work? So today we're gonna be using our Swanky Signature Gold package, which blocks up to 85% of heat rejection, which is gonna keep Kirk in there way cooler. And if you saw in the other videos that we posted where we were testing films, or the reel you put out on my channel, that this film will block more than your average 5% tint from your standard like local window tinter. Yeah. And that's because people aren't using high quality materials. They're not using true ceramic film. Typically, if the film has that slight blue hue to it, it means it has those heat rejection capabilities. Okay. So we're able to give you heat rejection without physically darkening your glass.
Yeah. And I really like that aspect because it's kind of like the best of both worlds, especially for me, you know, having the ability to have the heat rejection, but also not making it fully blacked out.
You know, even people that have those medical conditions, they'll come in here and I have this problem, I have the exemption, and I need my windows dark as possible. Then I take the time to educate them, well, no, we don't have to physically darken your car for you to, you know, not feel that heat affecting you.
Yeah.
And it truly is life-changing.
That's really nice. We're going to be doing, you know, full all
Full
around.
car.
You know, a lot of people don't really know this, but having the windshield also tinted is an additional benefit.
The windshield's a big thing,
Yeah.
and you know, there's a lot of gray areas. It's illegal in most states. It's illegal in Florida, but we're not legally darkening your glass.
Yeah.
You know, much like there's windshield protection films out there now that you can put on the outside of the car, they have a slight hue to it as well. We're not tinting your glass.
Yeah.
We are, but we're not. We're not darkening it. So,
Little trade-off.
little trade-off.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it. You know, tell us a little bit more about Swanky's. You know, for the folks who didn't really see the first video, what do you guys really specialize in?
So, paint protection films, we do full color changes, ceramic coatings, window tint. We're moving more now into like modifications. We do a lot of stuff with like the BMW community,
Yeah.
mid pipes, down pipes, exhaust, suspension. We'll do brakes. Behind me is a Lamborghini Urus. We're doing a 1016 Industries full wide body kit.
That's insane.
That is a big boy kit, so we're now 1016 dealers, so pretty stoked about that. We're dealers for IRL. We work with you. We're gonna be selling all your stuff. You know, so when guys come in here and they wanna just kit their car out from beginning to end, you buy a brand new car, I have this vision.
Yeah.
You bring your vision to Swanky's, we make it happen, you leave everything done. One-stop shop.
That's really nice. And a lot of people who don't really know you, Nick, Nick is a very big car guy. Trust me, in the game for a number of years.
BMWs.
Hardcore BMW. You know, this is his E92 M3 with a little bit of extra sauce that he's done recently. We're probably going to have to do a full feature on that car once it's all said and done. You know,
We need to.
yeah.
I'm so excited for this car. I've had, several of these. I always seem to sell them and then cry.
Yeah, and that's the big issue with this guy. He goes through so many cars, he doesn't have the time to enjoy all of them. But we do want to feature this and, you know, give it the true proper attention.
And the banana.
Yeah, and also a lot of upgrades coming for this, which we actually are going to be doing some MGG carbon on it as well. We're going to get this thing started, and hopefully we should wrap it up, you know, within an hour or so.
Full car like this, sides, rear, and windshield can push 2.5, 3 hours.
Okay.
You know, we prep everything. We make sure there's, you know, as minimal contamination as possible. You know, we don't just slap the film on and say, here you go.
Okay.
Everything gets cleaned thoroughly. You know, we're going for maximum visibility, no dust particles trapped in your window film.
Okay.
You know, all the edges, everything sealed.
Nice.
So, you know, typically here you don't have to wait days to roll your window down either because we seal everything.
I was going to
up.
ask you about that. Like, is there any time frame to wait? Because I know in traditional tints there is like a 2-day period where you have
Correct.
to, you know, don't touch the windows at all.
So the reason why there's two different types of methods when it comes to window tinting. There's the two-stage method where you tuck the top edge, peel the liner, and feed it into the seal. We bottom load here. So we actually feed the film into your glass and then reinstall your sweep on a traditional car. Your car is frameless, so we just push on the glass and slide it beneath the seal and then really get it sealed down in there. So you're gonna be okay if you had to roll your windows down.
Right,
I still tell people wait till tomorrow just to be safe.
Yeah.
But if you had to, let's say, go to a drive-through because you're hot, you can roll the window down, grab something.
Awesome,
It'll be perfectly fine.
And then, do you guys have like a warranty on your tints?
Lifetime warranty.
Okay, awesome. So guys, if you're in the Central Florida area, Daytona, make sure to check Swanky's out. But the main portion is gonna just get started. We're gonna see what the tint process is like. First time I'm witnessing it on the G82 M4, so really excited.
Show them the glass over there.
Yeah.
So check this out, guys. You really can barely even distinguish between the tint and the actual plain glass.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell, but the two pieces for the back glass are right here. Yeah, there's something else right here too. I think.
See how hard it is to see?
Yeah,
You can't even see it. So it's going to add a slight blue hue, which I think is going to play really nice on the car.
Yeah.
And you know, this stuff exists for houses and buildings as well. So if you're hot in your home, hot in your office, you got a business looking to add privacy or heat rejection, we do all that stuff too.
Nice one. Really looking forward to seeing how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, making some good progress on the M4 so far. The guys have already cut out the film that's going to be applied to the windows. Some of the back glass has already been done, if you guys can tell, maybe not. Again guys, I opted for the light tint so you can still see the interior. My man Justin right now is working on the rear glass. They're going to put that in a second. It's always interesting to see, you know, the process of how to install tints. They kind of have to lay it on the outside first, I guess, to make sure everything lines up, and then they apply it on the inside. Once they're done with that, most likely they're going to be moving to the front doors and also the windshield, and then we'll have this thing all finished up. So I see that you're laying the film on the back glass. Is there a specific reason why this is so important?
So what I'm doing right now is I'm form fitting the tint of glass. So all glass is curved, right?
Yeah.
Tint comes out of the machine off a roll straight. A lot of people think it just goes on the glass, and sometimes when customers or people are walking in, they go, oh, I didn't know it goes on the outside, because everybody sees this step.
Yeah.
So this step, what we're doing is we're form fitting the tint to the back glass.
Okay.
So if it lays flat on the outside, it's going to lay flat on the inside. If
Makes
I left
sense.
it just like this and try to squeegee it on, this is what you're going to get inside of the car.
Gotcha.
So I have to take my time, contour the film, I'm shrinking it, that's
Yeah.
the technical term, and getting it to lay flat on the outside of the glass.
Nice, nice. that's going to wrap up today's install. I hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, big shout out to Nick and the Swanky's Automotive Detailing team. You guys killed it with the install. Really impressed with how it looks. Honestly, you can't even tell it's there. I love the way the light tints look personally. It has a heat rejection, it has the clean look where you can still see inside the car, and it's going to come very clutch, especially because of all the interior mods that we're going to be doing over the next few months. When it comes to ceramic tint, I don't think you guys should cheap out. The heat rejection is real, guys. I highly recommend it. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, I'll leave all of Swanky's contact information down below so you guys can hit them up and let them know that MotoGear sent you. Now guys, I don't know about you, but I especially love how the light tints look on the Tanzanite paint. I've never been a fan of dark tints on cars. The way the car pops right now, especially with it just being detailed, it just looks absolutely amazing. Like, how can you complain about this? Now, when it comes to privacy, again, it's your personal choice. I'm not really carrying anything of value inside the car that's gonna need for me to black my tints out, especially because we live in Florida. A lot of cops do give issues when you have too dark tints. I think how it sits right now, there's nothing better. Now, in closing, I'm somebody who's very meticulous and I take really good care of my car. And when it comes to Nick and his team, what I can say is they're very meticulous. They pay attention to detail. As you guys can see close up on the tint, you're not going to see any air bubbles or anything like that. They warranty their work as well, and I honestly think it really speaks for itself. And I highly recommend you guys check it out. If you need detail work, tinting services, they even do PPF. Guys, they are the place to be, and I highly recommend you guys check them out. But with that being said, I'm going to enjoy my car and also this wonderful Florida weather now that I have ceramic tints. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the install. Stay tuned for more geared up content, and until then, we're gone.